This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. End-unit townhome with tons of natural light, fresh paint and new carpet throughout the spacious home. Nice floor plan with first floor bonus room, home office, family room, or guest room, great room with gleaming hardwood floors, large kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, primary bedroom with walk-in closet and private bath with large shower, double vanities, and water closet. Second floor balcony and attached garage. Great Yorktown location convenient to Williamsburg, Newport News, and Gloucester. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.